I think in some cases the owners don't know yet what they want or what they can ask from their GCs and the contractor, the engineers, the architects. And it's an education process across the whole life cycle. But the owner ultimately is driving that project, and they can make the decisions of the requirements of the types of data, even the specific tools they want utilized on a project. What we're learning is that a lot of owners have relied heavily on the contractor or the engineer to tell them what they think they need. And that's been great, and there's been a lot of good things that have happened. But that architect or that contractor aren't necessarily thinking about 10, 20 years down the road of that asset and what needs to happen with it. So what we find is if the owners get proactive in thinking about the entire life cycle of an asset, they can ask for better things up front, more useful things up front, and have different expectations of those contractors, the engineers, the architects that will help the owner down the road. And what also happens is the owner learns about technologies that the contractors may be using, right? If they're doing 3D scanning, LiDAR, or utilizing drones or other tools to track a construction project that they need to as the contractor, that's all useful data for the owner that they didn't know they could be asking for, because they didn't know the contractor was already using Trimble solutions, already had this big pool of data that could feed into a system the owner's already using.